Hello everyone, welcome back to Dash Up Spices. If you are new here, welcome. Please go ahead, click that subscribe button. If you want to see more of us, please click that bell button. Today I'm going to share to you how I made this Filipino pork menudo with coconut milk. If you want to learn how I make this, please keep on watching. All ingredients will be listed down below in the description box. What I have here is a pork shoulder meat that I cut into cubes, onions, garlic, red bell pepper, frozen green peas, you could use a fresh green peas, potatoes, carrots, coconut milk, tomato sauce. We're also going to need some seasoning, which will be listed down below in the description box. I'm going to use an InstaPot. InstaPot will cut the process into half. Add the oil. Once the oil is ready, add the pork shoulder meat. Cook until the shoulder meat is lightly brown. I set my InstantPot into a saute mode on normal heat. Once the pork meat changes color, you're going to add the onions and the garlic and just stir. And now all we have to do is add all the rest of the ingredients. Start with the red bell pepper, mix it or stir, and then the potatoes, carrots, tomato sauce, and the coconut milk. I like my stew a lot of sauce, so I kind of also add a little bit of water. I just pour water into the can and mixed it and add it to this pot. Mix until everything is combined. And now we're going to season this with our spices. Starts from the black ground pepper, garlic salt, this is my favorite spices, turmeric, parsley, and saffron. If you could find this, go ahead and grab it. This is also healthy for you. Couple of bay leaves. And I'm just going to add the pork bouillon, but you could add beef bouillon as well if you don't have pork. I found out pork bouillon at the Asian market. Just mix this until everything is combined. Once everything is combined, you're gonna cover this with the lid. Set the valve into venting. You're going to pressure cook this for 20 minutes on high heat. Once everything is done, go ahead and release the air. Once all the air is out, remove the lid. And now you're going to set the InstantPot into saute mode. You're going to taste the stew until everything is well blended, or if it needs seasoning, go ahead and adjust the seasoning to your liking. I just add a little bit of salt. I think it needed salt. But again, this is depends to your liking. Mix. If you want to make the sauce a little bit thicker, then you could saute this extra 5 minutes. Now I add the frozen peas. You could actually add the frozen peas and the red bell pepper at the same time if you want the red bell pepper a little bit crunchier. So I just saute this for 5 minutes. Again, if you want the sauce so extra thick, you could saute it, let it saute on a saute mode for another 5 minutes. For me, this is fine. I like my stew sauce like that. And I like more sauce as well. I could actually just eat the rice and the sauce. There you go. How easy that is. This is a Filipino pork menudo with coconut milk. Basically, this is a pork stew, but a Filipino version. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you like this video. Please click the like button. Until next time, see you soon. Ciao!